again, the instructor, because you're very, very good at instructing, and you're really fun to work with, and you're really knowledgeable. So it really, I mean, I've never done a female figure or a figure at all before. And so you made it really fun. Your explanations were excellent. Your videos were very helpful because from the week to week lesson, I had those to keep me on track, or try to. Not too much play. So yeah, I just you did a really good curriculum. You laid it out to where it was very easy to follow, very easy to I mean, I look at it and I can't believe I made that within the short period of time that we worked together. How you laid it out, how you explain your excellent explanation of the measurements, because sculpture is all about measurements. I mean, you know, when you really boil it down, you can create beautiful art, but if you've got, you know, a 2-inch arm and a 3-inch arm, it's not going to look good. Well, it's my first Zoom course. I've never done a Zoom course before. And so that was a whole new realm, but excellent, because obviously with the COVID situation, you know, taking the class has all been canceled. So it allowed me to still take the class without, you know, all the other courses were closed, you know. So for studying it apart, I'd never done a human class, and your class, how you advertise it was really good, because it was long enough. You did enough, you know, enough classes. You know, sometimes there's only a couple classes, and then you get started, but you don't really get enough to where you feel like you've actually made a project, you know, that you would have a finished product. And so that's been really fun. I mean, I really like the Zoom classes. I think they're kind of neat.